welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can perform Mendelian randomization using MRBase. So for this purpose, first you have to open the web page of MRBase. Then here you have to click on exposure the data. So from here you can check any option. If you have file, you can upload your file, but your file must have column name SNP, beta, standard error, effect allele, other allele, effect allele, frequency, also the p-value, phenotype name, unit, other allele, column name, then sample size, number of cases, number of control, and gene name. If you have all this data in your file, then you can upload here and perform the Mendelian randomization. Otherwise, you can choose any data. For example, I will select MRBase GWAS catalog. Here I will select systolic blood pressure. Then from the outcome, I will select depression. Here you can select anyone, but I will select the data published in 2015. You can select any data based on your requirements. So I will select this one, and then here you can click on run Mendelian randomization. Here you can select any option like this one or this one. So then you can from here you can choose the method. So here I selected 5 method. You can select any one based on your interest. Then you can click on perform MR analysis. So it will take some time. It's depend on the load on the server. So you will get your result in 5 minutes, or sometime it will take more time. But here so this is the result page. This is the MR result. This is heterogeneity statistics, causal direction test, and this is all the results. Here you can see the SNP SNP analysis. These are the SNP that this graph basically show you all the SNP that are common in systolic blood pressure and depression, both in the exposure and outcome data. This is the method comparison plot. This plot basically compare all the tests that result of all the tests that is used for MR analysis. This is leave one out analysis. This is also the plot. So from here you can generate the HTML report, and then from here you can download all the result, and then you can use these results for your research article writing and for your publication. So this is for other major this is the result for the major depressive disorder. So this was the overview of how you can use MRBase tool, and you can run your Mendelian randomization analysis, and you can just finish everything in just 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.